Hi everyone, we're going to do a video about how to assemble our latest indoor rock crawler obstacle, which is a spiral staircase. So here you can see I have the upper level all assembled, and here's pieces to build the lower level. The upper level and the lower level are mostly the same. So the base, the legs, and the planks are the same. The higher part has lower support stands. I'll probably ship these with 3 brown. This one's got a gray. And then the lower piece has this step up, and I'll show you what that does. All right, so here we've got the pieces. We'll push the base and the planks and the step up out of the way for right now, and we'll go through the stands, or the legs. So you'll see that some of the legs have this little angle piece in the truss and some don't. So that helps us to sort them out, which ones go on the outside circumference, and which ones go on the inner part of the base. So we'll put the ones that have the X on the left and the ones that don't on the right, and we'll sort them by height. Okay, so now we've got them sorted by height. There are 6 of each size. Let me adjust this down a little. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the inners, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of the outers. All right, so now we'll take the base and we'll make it face toward us with this little attachment piece, this little dovetail facing us. That dovetail is going to be for the step up. The other side does not have one. So we'll set that down, and then we'll take the smallest of the outers and the smallest of the inners. And another thing you'll notice is that the outer pieces have 2 blank spaces for tabs, and the base has 2 tabs on the outside. And when you install, those will align with each other. Similarly, on the other side, there's only 1 tab on the inner, and there's only 1 blank space for a tab on the inner there. Those line up. All right, so that'll give you a clue that you're doing it right. So once we have the first set of stands in, or legs in, we'll go and grab a plank, and you'll see that the top of each leg has a square peg, and the planks have 2 sets of square receptacles. We'll line those up, press them in, and then we'll go through and we'll install all the rest of the legs and planks. Okay, so now we have all the legs and planks installed, and the lower part of our spiral obstacle has really come together. Next thing to do is install this little step up, and what we're going to do is we're going to get the dovetail on this step up installed into the dovetail receptacle on the base, and we'll just line it up, press it in. And what this does is it gives you just a little bit of extra help getting stepped up to the first step, the first plank. Some of the smaller trucks would have trouble with that. Bigger trucks might go up, but this gives you a little bit of help. So here's our lower part, and then we'll line it up with our upper part. And now we've got this nice big spiral obstacle. Gives us some fantastic height, and your truck can climb right up there and go up to your bridge or up to whatever else you're climbing up to. All right, have fun.